Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a flip through of the seasonal mini Rongrong sticker book and the Skinny Classic Happy Planner. So I'll go ahead and start with this mini. It does say Hobby Lobby edition. I'm not sure if this is a brand new sticker book or it's a re-release of the Rongrong that was previously launched, just because I didn't get any of those sticker books, so I'm not sure. But when I went to Hobby Lobby, I ran into these, so this was my chance to get one. I don't have a Joann's near me, so it is difficult to get these items. And I'm really excited for these. I did get a mini version in this sticker book. I usually like classic stickers, but I did end up going with this mini. And look, they're so pretty. I love these illustrations. Look at that. That's so nice for the holidays. So cute. 'Tis the season for friends. Oh, that's awesome. I like that. I like these girls right here with the pajamas. They're so pretty. Winter chic. Merry everything and happy always. I like that. Wow. I love these headers. Love them. These girls are so freaking fabulous. Look at them. They're just living their best life. Ooh, I like this color right here. It goes so well for fall. Oh, I can't wait to dive into this. Look at this. I love it. Some hats, the cats and pumpkins. How adorable. And then we move on into spring. Welcome spring in the silver foil. I love these colors in here. Wow, look at those. I am so into pastel right now, and I love these. Look at that. So cute. Oh, I like that dress. How pretty is that? And then we go into summer, and it has that gold foil. Welcome summer. A fireworks party. Friends and sunshine. Less Monday, more summer. So pretty. Look at these. Oh, and these colors, they're so vibrant. I like those. And then we have some of the holidays. I like that. So cute. Celebrate birthday dinner. Okay, so that was really cute. I'm glad I finally got my hands on this. So that's the sticker book. And what I'm most excited about is this Skinny Classic Happy Planner. I am in love with this concept. I think it is a game changer. And here is this cover. I like that the discs are plastic and they're the see-through kind. I usually don't like plastics or the see-through kind, but I think it works really, really well with this planner. So I might either leave them or change them. I'm not sure, but here's the inside. And I didn't see too many flip throughs of this planner, so I thought I would come on and make one just in case you were thinking about getting this one. I was really curious as to what the inside of it looked. That's what I mainly look when I get a planner, just because this is what photographs on the pictures on Instagram, so I mainly look for that. So we have the name page here, very simple, very cute. The year at a glance, again very simple. A notes section. The first divider, it's a good day to have a good day. Cute. And then we have the calendar with a section for important stuff, and this is the month at a glance. And so instead of it being an actual calendar, this is what it has. I like the concept behind this. This is brand new, so we'll go ahead and see that, and then we automatically go into the weekly pages. And so it's very simple, and I actually thought there was some sort of grid or lines in each of the days, but it's just blank. So that's what I was curious about as well. And so it's very basic, and then we have some Rongrong girls down there. But I like how simple it is. Very, very good. And then we go back to the notes section, and here's February with that gorgeous purple foil. You are magic. And here we have March, babes support babes. April, just be happy. May, capture the good times. She's so cute. Look at her. I like that. In June, feel the sunshine. There goes that dress I like. In July, keep your heels, head, and standards high. Love it. In August, life is better with friends. Love my girl squad. Those overalls get me every single time. I love them. October, we have that pretty blue foil. Be the life of the party. You are amazing. Oh, look at that little cute dog. So cute. And December, life is beautiful and so are you. Ooh, I like that they made this girl with the overalls the center of this one. Look at her earrings, her hoops. Oh, I'm all about my hoops too. I love them. And here's the back, another notes page, and the back covered, very pretty, that soft pink. And then we have the back cover. These florals are so pretty as well. I love them. And so the reason I went ahead and grabbed a mini sticker book is because I was thinking that these stickers right here would fit perfectly onto here. So that was kind of the reason why I got the mini instead of a classic. I usually always go for classics just because I like how they look in my mini. But I grabbed this mini specifically for this layout, and I'm hoping that'll look really, really nice on here. So that was the plan behind this, and I'm so excited to be using this planner. I'm still not sure how I'm going to be using it. At the beginning of the year when I did my own Fibonacci, which is this right here, I was using just plain grid paper and I was planning out my week like this. This is what I was using for my social media planning right before I moved into my classic teacher layout. And as you can see, I was decorating, but I wasn't really planning in it because it started to not work for me. It looked pretty and it looked nice, but it wasn't functioning for me. And I needed something more functional. And that is when I switched over to my classic teacher layout. And so now that they have this skinny classic planner, I'm hoping that it's going to be more functional as well. I still don't know exactly what I'm going to use it for, but I like the idea behind this. Days of the week are already there. We don't have to spend time doing that, which is kind of what was holding me back from the Fibonacci, because we were having to constantly make everything from scratch, which is time consuming, and sometimes I do not have time for that. So this is going to be perfect. Now I just have to figure out what I want to use it for. And I also don't like that there's no grid or lines here. If I don't have my lines, I tend to write slanted, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Maybe I could do my own lines, or I'm gonna have to figure out something. And I also am not sure what I'm going to use it for, so if you have any suggestions, please feel free to drop them down below. I really, really want to use this. So we'll just have to see what I end up using it for. So those are the flip throughs of these two items. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.